Today I will share with you my TV hookup. I have a 5-port HDMI here that was off Amazon, about $30. These were about $15 a piece. Ghana 3-port HDMI. I got these daisy chained. I only have 2 HDMI ports here. This is a Japanese TV box. It's gigantic. And here is my cables for my old school games. My Xbox, my Super Famicom, and my PlayStation 2 over there. So now I'm on HDMI 1, which is Japanese TV. I switched to 2. This is my Amazon. 3 is my VCR, DVD VCR combo over there on the bottom. 4 is my Sony Blu-ray, which has internet and plays American DVDs. And 5 is my LG Blu-ray. LG is Korean. Life is good, is what LG means. So I hooked up all of my games to HDMI port 2. So there's my Sega Mini. Now this one I have to get up and click. So you can see there's the 2 ports. I can get 5 total, at least. There's the Xbox. This is my Xbox One and another Xbox. And then over here, if I touch it again, 1, 2, it takes me to my Super Trio, which I have a multi-card in, 112 games in one. So let's play some Sega Mini today. Even though the port is busted and the seller called me a liar, it's still functioning. I do like the big controller size. It's a good fit. And that's all.